What's going on, guys? Today we got more parts in for the FD, so we're gonna be working on that today. And also my dad is working on his car. He has an oil leak that he's trying to figure out. To take it off? Say hi, Dad.
Okay.
Excuse me. Sorry, Dad, I didn't find the oil filter pedestal thing remover tool. I don't know. But I just checked my email, and this wasn't what I was going to show you guys that I'm going to install today, but I am gonna go get it and add it to the list of things to do today. Rue, are you coming? Come on, Rue. Okay, I'm gonna go get it. You're gonna make my trip longer. Bye, Rue. They grow up so fast. Oh yeah, I'll give you some privacy. She's making my quick trip to the mailbox take longer. Oh, there she goes. I'm just gonna grab her. She was slowing me down. I am back in my house after getting the mail. And I briefly mentioned it in the last video. But what I have is my RX7 oil pan gasket. I got it off eBay. It's actually supposed to be here yesterday, but something happened with the system. Thank you, USPS, for not delivering it to me yesterday. And for some reason, last night it said it was in Jacksonville, Florida. I don't know how that happened. Oh, no. Alright. I'm pretty sure my really bad oil leak is coming from the oil pan because I didn't put a gasket, I just used silicone. I don't think I did a good job at it. Space, it was rushed, I feel. Oh, and then it was my first time taking out the motor in that RX-7 and putting it back in, so. Yeah, we're gonna fix that today, and let me go show you guys what else we have planned. Hit it pretty hard. So what I also have today will help this bumper on the FD look that much better. Let me go grab it. I have gotten Origin Lab side skirts for the FD. And they're white too, like the front bumper. But it is not going to stay that color. Let's go. I already have one slapped up against the car just to get a general idea. Fitment's not too great, so we're gonna have to mold it and stuff, shave it down. But check it out. Oh yeah. She's a little bit even now. And then I have a flat tire. But it's okay, we don't even drive this car yet. Soon though, I hope. But for now, we are going to install the side skirts. My dad is the body shop expert. I just like to break things. The problem we're having here is that when we line these two up, this part is sticking out way further or rounding more than the side skirt, which is starting to crack like right here. So what he's gonna do is he's gonna hit it in so that we get a better idea of how this thing fits, and then maybe shave this part right here because it's kind of long. We'll see how it happens as we go. I'll start showing you the process. Some of the hardware from O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Yeah. You broke all my bits.
Oh, the small one.
On a fun little side note, my dad put the side skirt down next to my Miata, and the length is almost the same. It's pretty funny. So
But don't forget.
we drilled holes. Made things fit. And it's pretty spot on. Thanks, Dad. You're the best. I love you, man.
Love you too.
For good rigidity, we put 2 here, 1 here to hold it closer in, another one up here, and then since it's on the lift, we don't want to take this wheel off. But we'll do it later when we drop the car. Put another one here. Or 2. So after putting it up, doing the same thing we did last time, we just had to cut a few more spots. This one didn't fit as good, but everything's good. Thank you, Dad. You are the man. I love you, man.
Love you too.
Ugh. That guy right there. He's cool. Cleaning his car. Yeah, that's his car. I built it though. No. Nah, I mean, aside from you stealing my carbon fiber mirror idea, you
It's
know,
all his idea.
all of a sudden,
It's all his idea. I just copied.
he's just being nice. I should be nice. He installed my side skirts.
He designed my carbon fiber hood,
No, I didn't. You did that. Look
my
at
side mirror,
that.
my
Okay.
work wheels.
So the story behind the side mirrors
custom
is
work wheels.
I had an Audi A5, which I was gonna plan on doing a full build on, but then cops kept pulling me over, so I sold the car. And one of Ma's was gonna be carbon fiber side mirrors, and then one day he just orders it, and it shows up at home, and I'm like, what the hell? I didn't order these. You have explaining to do.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's his design. I copied it. It sounds good, so I made it happen. I don't wait.
Sorry, I'm poor.
Even poor. That's what happens when you have 3 cars or 5 cars.
I don't have 5 cars.
Yes, you do.
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Dad, for helping. And I will be doing a nice little video on his car in the near future.